In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your language on SofaScore. So if you want to change your language to French or any language of your choice, let me show you guys how to do this. Very simple and easy. So you launch your app like this, and then you tap on your profile. So your bottom right corner of your screen, bottom right, tap on that. Good. And now you can see at the top right corner of your screen, you can see a certain button there. Tap on that too as well. Good. So now we tap on our preferences under the general, and we can see the language here. First option, tap on the language, you can edit it, and there are a lot of languages. For English, they have English for United States, Espanol, España, blah blah blah. They have a lot of languages here, so choose any of them. So let me choose United States English. It's the same English. After that, the app is going to restart and I'm good to go. So that's it on how you change your language on SofaScore app. If you're new here, you give me a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace.